Okay, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some bacon and onion jam. You're going to love this because it's so easy. It's got 4 things in it. It has bacon, it has onions, it's got brown sugar, and it's got balsamic. This is a balsamic glaze, but yeah, I'm going to get this bacon going. We're going to fry this up nice and crispy. I'm going to just keep this bowl right here because I want this bowl to, so I can drain a little bit of that oil off there after this gets going. I am going to add a little bit of oil in this. That way I can get this bacon to cook good. I'm going to pour it off anyhow, and I'll reserve that oil for something else we're going to do later that's going to be really good. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This bacon all cooked up. And you can add a little bit of cayenne pepper to this if you want it spicy. You can add some jalapeno. I normally don't. I just add the 4 ingredients because it's the less amount of items in it, the better it's going to be. Look at that, though. It's starting to cook up real nice. I just took this bacon, it's a thick cut bacon, and I just cut it long ways, and then I just sliced it up to where it's nice dice, to where that gives you a nice bacon bit. Look at this, it's cooking up real good. We're going to serve this our bacon onion jam. We're going to serve this with some pork chops today. You can serve it with fish, you can serve it with chicken, you can serve it with steak. It's good just about with anything because it's going to be a little bit sweet, a little bit tart. Okay, so this bacon's starting to cook up nice. I really don't want it to cook more than that, but you see the brown color I got on there? That's what I'm looking for. That's what we're trying to achieve right here. So let me get a little bit of the excess oil off of there. I'm going to just put it right back in the same bowl. And believe me, I do save my bacon grease. Okay, I'm going to let that go here. I'm going to add these onions. Like I said, it's a bacon onion jam. We want to caramelize these onions. I'm going to caramelize them right in there with this bacon. And we're going to add a little bit of black pepper because I do like a nice black pepper bacon. So this is going to give a little bit of a nice flavor. And I'm not bashful with it, as you can see. Oh, this smells absolutely wonderful, let me tell you. So anyways, that's cooking up real nice here. Got a little bit of caramelization on it. I don't want a lot. You know, you don't need a whole lot because all the flavor is obviously in that bacon. I'm gonna add some brown sugar in here. I'm gonna add a nice heaping spoonful here. It's gonna make it turn into a nice jam. I'm gonna mix that brown sugar in, just like so. As soon as I see that brown sugar dissolve here, I'm going to go ahead and add this balsamic glaze. And you can use just regular balsamic if you like. You just have to cook it a little bit longer. I'm going to add this balsamic glaze in here. And then I'm going to just turn this down to where it's going to simmer. Because I want all this here onions to bleed out. When that onions bleed out, then I can start to reduce that a little bit. So right now, look at this here, but this looks absolutely wonderful. We're almost looking at the jam now, but I definitely want these onions to be cooked. So we're going to let this simmer, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so this bacon onion jam is right where I want it to be. Got a nice little consistency on it. This is very beautiful, let me tell you. And I did sneak a little bit, it's very tasty. So I got a couple pork chops here. We're going to put these here on this plate. They look absolutely wonderful, if I say so myself. I'm going to stick them right there like so. Like I said, this bacon onion jam is also very good on a burger, I might say. We're going to take this bacon onion jam and we're going to top it right on top of these pork chops right here. Let's see here. That's absolutely wonderful there. And that's some fine eating right there, let me tell you. We'll see you next time right here with Chef Randall White.